Well, this morning we are taking a look at some of the major amendments that you approved, and each needed 60% of votes to pass.
Okay, so many of you voted to pass Amendment 3. This would give voters the power to decide or approve casino gaming. Until last night, only the Florida legislature had the right to rule on this. Now that decision will be in the hand of voters.
Amendment 4 was also approved, and that means felons in the state will now be allowed to vote after they meet their parole and probation requirements. It will not apply to those convicted of murder or sexual offenses. You can find the full results of all of the amendments on your ballot. You check out our website, WPTV.com.